Hi, I'm Maribel, and I'm so proud to bring to you my first KelbyOne class. I'm going to help you make your images really stand out. How? By using everyday materials in a creative way. We're also going to discuss how I tap into my creative team, leaning into friends, family, and other creatives to help you bring your vision to life. That'll open up floodgates of other possibilities for you. I'm going to teach you how you can create a really couture Hollywood avant-garde dress that's not necessarily bought, but created at home, yet has the same visual impact as a really expensive Hollywood gown. It's all about teamwork. Guys, we're not gonna just take a photo, we're making a photo. If you want to learn how to make creative portraits out of everyday material, come watch my class at KelbyOne.com.